Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I have another special casting from KK's, which is Audi 90 Quattro. It is one of my favorite casting and I'm really excited to unbox this. So by doing this, let's start our video, shall we? So as you can see here, it is a part of Peak Pursuit, and the card art is looking fabulous, and especially the casting. I'm really excited to unbox this. So let's before unboxing, let's compare the card art. Yes, it is a very good card art, as you can see here, and it is part of Peak Pursuit, which is 2 of 10 and 199 of 250. And as you can see here, the card art is looking amazing. The blister is a little small, but not the card. The card is the casting is wide and big. So yes, I am really excited to unbox, and let's unbox, shall we? Before unboxing, I would like to mention that I have bought this from local shop at MRP, which is 179. And you guys can also contact with your own shopkeepers, local shopkeeper. I think they will arrange this casting for you guys. And again I am saying, don't buy from scalpers, because they are selling this cast around 350, 450, even some people are selling this casting around 500 also. So that's why I am saying don't buy from any scalpers. Instead of that, you can contact with your own local shop owners, or search for another shopkeepers. They will definitely gonna end somehow. And by doing this, let's start unbox. So here we go, let's unbox this. Come on out, come on out. I know you want to come out. Yes, here it is, the casting. Just look at the casting, guys. The white rims, the wheel, entire finishing, it looks so fabulous. And just look at the livery, guys. Isn't it cool? I am just fan of the livery and the casting color and everything. Yes, you can see here the Audi logo is here, and the headlights are looking gorgeous with the silver tone, and the orange livery is looking fabulous. You can see the Audi Quattro logo is here also, and especially the 25 logo. Everything is so nice, and trust me, this casting is way more wide than other casting compared to, and it is actually heavy. It is actually heavy than any other casting. It's almost like a premium casting, looks like a almost premium casting. If you want to rate me, man, I am going to definitely rate this 9 out of 10, because this is one of my favorite. And yes, look at the livery and everything. It is almost looking like a premium casting, not a mainline casting. Just I want to discuss our disappointment here, that Hot Wheels didn't give any backlight here. This is the only thing which I can say that is not very disappointing. Apart from that, in this casting I am not seeing anything that I want to talk as a negative point. Everything is so pure. The casting is looking fabulous, and the shield, even the windshield is here, the logo is here, and especially the white rims, those things are actually the combination of entire casting is looking so great, man. If you guys are able to buy it, please buy it. I am recommending this casting as a fellow collector. You should go and collect this casting from anywhere. If you are please contact with your local shopkeepers, or search for it, search everywhere. But please, I am again recommending you, if you get a chance, please buy it. Okay, by doing this, I am wrapping up today's video. And if you like my videos, you please subscribe my channel, and if you want to, you can put a comment also. By doing this, I am wrapping up my video. Stay happy, stay healthy. See you in my next video. Thumbs up.